Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part one for November 2023 STL Patreon files. Some of the stuff will not be posted, just letting you guys know. We'll go back towards it towards the end of the month. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our links down below, and we're gonna look at some D&D, Warhammer, and figures as well. Hope everyone had a great Halloween. And Ashley's birthday was yesterday. Thank you guys for your kind words, and Ashley's very happy to hear that. Okay, the next November, I think it was says the Nightmare Express. This is a loyalty program for it. If you have like 3 months or more, but I don't think we got anything for Nightmare. For that's for October. Hmm. Realms of Path. Let's see if we got anything for it. This looks more like Age of Sigmar style or Blood Bowl for November. So we have dwarves. I think this is a Blood Bowl version of what they're doing right now. See, I see two footballs right there. So if you're into Blood Bowls and want dwarves, there we go. Next is SNI Studio figures. Looks like we're gonna have Psylocke. I looked at this. I was thinking about getting it, but I'm like, eh. But we have looks like Psylocke is next. Archivit 3D Studio, another figure. Let's see here, nothing else for that yet. So we'll come back to that later on as well. Talent Troll is October. Anything for November? No, nothing for November. Rocket Pig. So yes, October. Nothing for November yet. Like I said, it's gonna be like off it goes. Basically, when I'm filming this, it's the first day of November, so we don't have a lot of stuff that's out usually until like next week. I don't know if they announce what they're gonna have for November for these figures and stuff, but we'll see later on. Down mute their figure as well. I don't think they have anything out for the figures. Exclusive 3D models. Well, this is going to be November project that they're going to be doing. But usually, whatever they came out in October is going to be for November, like this one and some other ones as well. See, even though they say October, but they only release it November 5th, and yeah, and it's like I can't get logged into it. Well, you should just do it earlier for some reason, but oh well. November's welcome pack for France. We have Emma Frost. Scream. Scream looks cool. And Mockingbird. It's a welcome pack, but we don't see anything that's coming up for November. Fian, I think there's another figure one as well. I do like the Raven. Let's see here. Do they have anything else for this yet? This is, I think, Highland. Highland Bennies. You will probably gonna go over a lot of them once they come out in November. We do have for this. If the photo loads at any point in matter of this, oh come on, load, damn you, load for it. Let's see. Yeah, we're gonna skip this. It's having a long time to load. Really, really. This is a Lost Hobbyist miniature. Looks like a rack band version of Blood Bowl. Wow, there's like nothing. Moid. Let's see if Moid got stuff for November. Let's see here. Loyalty program, invite friends, earn. If you invite a friend, you get these. as well. I got majority of those. But I don't see anything for November for Moid. The Dark Factory, if you're into Dark Eldars, this would be it. But I don't see anything for November yet. Prime, nothing for Prime. Plague, I got miniatures. Don't think of anything for November yet. Halloween sale. STF Spara, probably don't have anything. Surrogate miniatures. October, see, still stuff during the October stuff for it. It's November. We'll have this for November if you're into Warlord Titans and everything else as well. Wow, I wish they made it bigger. But okay, so this is what this is going to look like. A lot of guns. I got heavy. What's it called? Heavy arm and from Gundam Wing. Jan Sculpt, another figure. We have the Amazon, Progress, Lady Jade. Nothing yet for this. Del off Imagination. This Skix. We have nothing for November yet. Myoji's Forge. Probably go over this on during the second next week for coming up stuff, because it looks like there's nothing on a lot of these things. So we have Zero from Dead Man Wonderworld going to be on for the next one. Let's look at recents to see if we've got something like happening for it. Vanguard. Oh, we can do Artisan Guild. What's happening in Artisan Guild? This is for November. Oh, this is a set sculpt. It doesn't have the whole thing on for it yet. So yeah. This is Gabe. This is another keep that they're going to be doing. That's a lot. That's a lot. I need to get FML printer to print this because resin, this will eat a shitload of resin, to tell you the truth. And I gotta find a place to put it too. November release for Tardia Minis. RGS Studio. We got some Stormtroopers from the Clone Wars. Some newer ones too. Flesh of God as well. But let's see. If it freaking loads, there we go. Peach has Nami, the Halloween outfit for November. I think that'll be it. I think we gotta wait another week or two to get a lot of stuff out for November. Well, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon down below. Thank you guys very much. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.